Well, now to some snakes on a plane. No movie sequel here. We're talking about the real deal. These live snakes were seized after arriving at JFK Airport's International Mail Facility. And not just any snakes. These are 5 king cobras and some geckos shipped express mail from Hong Kong. It's a good thing agents knew to open the package very carefully after detecting something strange in an X-ray. The reptiles were handed over to Fish and Wildlife officers.
Don't want to find out what's in the bag.
Yeah, I think I hear something moving.
Yeah, something strange.